Girl, what happened to your hair this morning?
Somebody woke up late for the bus, huh?
I woke up extra early to straighten it. Then the rain made it curly again before I even got inside.
That's why you check the weather app.
You check the weather every day?
You don't know me, bro. What's all the fuss about?
The heat straightened my hair, but the rain changed it right back. Why didn't the heat change it permanently?
Perfect question. Today, we're investigating physical and chemical properties and changes. A physical change changes what a substance looks like, but not what it's made of. Let's zoom in. The particles are still the same, they just change position. No new substance is formed. Physical properties can be observed or measured without changing the substance. Examples include mass, volume, density, melting point, boiling point, solubility, and height. Grab a ruler and prove I'm taller than everybody.
Nobody asked.
The important idea is this: physical properties describe a substance without turning it into something new. So, if I crumple this paper before I shoot it into the trash, that's a physical change?
Don't do it.
Explain your reasoning first. Only the shape changed. If I open it back up, it's still paper. No new substance formed. Correct.
Now walk it to the trash can.
Y'all take all the fun out of science. Let's apply the idea of a physical change to this scenario. Emelyn, tell me how melting an ice cube demonstrates a physical change.
When you melt an ice cube, the water molecules simply move from being tightly packed to sliding past one another. The water molecules themselves don't change, they just move differently as the water changes state. That's why it's a physical change.
Perfect. A chemical change creates one or more new substances with different properties. Particles rearrange and form new bonds, resulting in a new substance.
Like if Emelyn permanently dyed her hair bright orange? Why orange?
Because neon green was already taken by my chain. Permanent hair dye can chemically react with hair and create a lasting color change. The particles form new bonds, so new substances form. Scientists look for evidence of a chemical reaction. Common clues include an unexpected color change, gas being produced, a new solid called a precipitate forming, or an energy change such as heat or light.
Like Deshaun's neck turning green after he wore that fake gold chain?
We agreed to leave episode 1 in episode 1. That color change was evidence that a reaction may have occurred.
So, bubbles always mean a chemical reaction?
Not always. Bubbles count as evidence only when a new gas is produced by the reaction.
What are chemical properties?
They describe how a substance can change into a new substance. Flammability and combustibility describe how readily a material burns, while reactivity describes how likely it is to react with another substance.
So, burning popcorn is a chemical change?
Here we go. Yes. Burning creates new substances, which is why burnt popcorn cannot be changed back into fresh popcorn.
Everybody smelled the evidence before we found the microwave.
That microwave was extra sensitive. Which example is a chemical change? A. Water evaporating. B. Frying an egg. C. Ice cream melting. D. Salt dissolving in water. B. Frying an egg permanently changes it. The cooked egg has different properties, and you can't change it back into a raw egg. Excellent. Same molecules means a physical change. New molecules means a chemical change. Let's finish with the big idea. Physical properties describe matter without changing what it is. Physical changes alter appearance, shape, or state without forming a new substance.
Chemical properties describe how matter can become something new.
And a chemical change forms new substances. Clues can include color change, gas production, a new solid, or an energy change. Now look at these particle diagrams. Which one represents a physical change?
Diagram C. The molecules stay the same, they're only packed closer together. The other diagrams show new molecules.
Perfect. So, you straightening your hair again tomorrow?
Nope, I'm wearing it curly. Giving up already? Nope, I'm just done fighting physical changes. That's right! Embrace those curls, girl!
Next time, we'll explore atoms and the periodic table.